20 government departments of the participate of the last 3 Saturdays having to support the government initiated cleanup campaign. So much for listening. And
my fellow Cabinet Secretaries, the Acting Commissioner of Police and the Commissioner of Business and Correction Services, members of the discipline forces, the senior government officials here, as well as the special administrator for the special guests and invited guests, civil servants, and all those who participated in this program, including families and our children. Nisambula Vinaka, and a very good morning to you all. And thank you for taking the Saturday morning out to be part of this program. Today obviously marks the end of the cabinet-endorsed national cleanup campaign, which was over a month, covering 4 Saturdays or weekends. And it was organized by the Ministry of Health with the interdepartmental task force chaired by Director Corporate Services from the Public Service Commission, Joanna. I would like to express on behalf of the Ministry and the members of the task force our deep gratitude to all those who took the time out and came out in numbers to support this worthy initiative. Today, of course, is the final leg of the cleanup, but this should not be the end. We must continue this initiative and make it part of our everyday living. There has been a number of recommendations made by the task force as to how we're going to organize this thing in the future, and I'm sure the Ministry of Health as well as relevant authorities will give further consideration to that within the context of their budgets and respective work program. Just looking at the statistics, we of course have climbing statistics for dengue related cases, as much as 19,000, and of course this is a matter of continued concern for all of us. I would like to thank everybody who supported the mission of government in helping destroying the breeding grounds of mosquitoes. It would not have been possible without your support. But as I mentioned earlier, we should not see this as an end, because we are a tropical country, and dengue and mosquito carrying dengue related virus strikes us every now and then. It is only fair and it's only prudent that we continue our fight against this disease. We are also very deeply appreciative of the various bilateral as well as development partners who came forward and assisted in this fight to curtail spread of dengue. Obviously, we cannot name all of them who came forward, but there are a number of donors who came forward to help, and I'm sure their help will continue in the future, because this is not a one-off case. We received tremendous support from the municipal councils, because without their support we would not have been able to organize and successfully penetrate those properties where cleanups were organized. So we'd like to thank the municipal councils as well as the special administrators who came out and helped. The initiative was hugely successful, as you saw from the numbers presented by Ministry of Health. Over 4,000 people participated, collecting over 150 tons of rubbish nationwide. So that's a huge exercise, because everybody gave their time out voluntarily, sacrificing their Saturdays over the last 4 Saturdays. These cleanups obviously have not eliminated all the mosquitoes, There are a number of reasons, including the wet weather, where the mosquitoes will keep coming back, and it is only natural and prudent that we continue this cleanup campaign in the future. I sincerely hope that the journey will not end here, and that collectively as public servants, the way we have done over the past 4 Saturdays, we'll continue to do this in the future. With these few words, I would like to conclude here, and of course wish you the remainder of weekend with your families, and have a blessed weekend. Thank you very much.